Good morning, all of you. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to everyone? Friends, in this session, I'm going to start how to create a website, a static website, by using HTML div tags. In most of the situations, in most of the cases, in real time, we use div tags to design a web page or website. So div tags plays very important role. Yeah, good morning, Jamila. Very important role in web application development. So if you check it out, any website, it might be a Google, it might be a Facebook, it might be Flipkart, it might be Amazon, or it might be any website. Even my website, Madhu.K website. Every website will be designed by using div tags. So that is the concept today we are going to discuss about. So part by part. First part I am starting today. In the next session I'll start the second part, that is the extension to this today's session. So step by step we'll make a professional website even. Yeah, Rambabu. Hi. So what is our today's session is how to use div tags to design a page. Let us start with the basic web page designing, and after that we'll make it more bigger one. Step by step, one by one, each page means I would like to add new pages one by one. I'll provide link from main page to other sub pages. By using anchor tags we can do that, and we'll implement a small website. So today I'm going to start it. So if you have any doubts in the comment section, you can ask the questions. It's very easy, but we need to practice it. We know that HTML is the easiest language actually to learn in computers. Everybody knows that, right? So let us start. Okay, before going to create a new website by using div tags in HTML, which editor we are gonna use? We can use any editors. Everybody knows that we have many editors to write HTML programs. We have many editors. Yeah, hi. By using Notepad we can develop web pages or websites only by using Notepad, and also by using Edit Plus. Many of you know that about Edit Plus. It is also one editor where we can write programs, and you can use NetBeans even, that is the Java IDE, integrated development environment. You can use NetBeans. You can use even Eclipse or MyEclipse or JBoss, not JBoss actually, JBuilder, sorry, JBuilder, JCreator even, JDoctor. Like that we have many IDEs also. Even you can use Dreamweaver software, especially for website designing, and even you can use a normal editor. I have already installed that one in my computer, that is Visual Studio Code or Atom. Anything you can use. Many editors are there. The main beauty of HTML is we can write in anywhere. Just Notepad is enough. But you have to save it by using .html extension. That's it. So let me write. So at present I am using Visual Studio Code here to write HTML programs. You might have got doubt, sir, how to install Visual Studio Code. It's very easy actually. I don't know in the previous class I have taught you or not. So let me uninstall it first of all. I'm going to uninstall Visual Studio from my computer, and I'll show you how to download, how to install, and after that I'll write programs. I'll start writing programs. Okay. So let me open the control panel so that I can uninstall my software which is already installed in my computer, that is Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code. I'm clicking Windows button, searching for control panel. I've got control panel, open it. So from this control panel you can see many options actually. Among these options you have to choose uninstall a program from programs. Click on uninstall a program, and you can see many softwares or all the softwares which are installed in your computer. And among these many softwares which are already installed in my computer, which one you would like to uninstall? Yes, I would like to uninstall this one, Visual Studio Code User. Okay, so give mouse right click on it and click on uninstall. Yeah, are you sure you want to completely remove Visual Studio Code and all of its components? Yes, I'm sure. Done. Within seconds it's got uninstalled. Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from your computer. Click on OK. That's it. Done. So uninstallation is done. Even the icon which is created in the desktop also get deleted because software is uninstalled, right? That's why. Thank you. Now, so how to install Visual Studio Code? There I am going to write the programs, right? That's why I am asking you. How to install it? Open the browser, just browser, Google search engine, www.google.com. Here search for Visual Studio Code downloads or Visual Studio Code. Just type Visual Studio Code and press enter. Visual Studio Code, enter. See the first link we have got, code.visualstudio.com. Okay, click on Visual Studio Code editing redefined link, click it, and here you can see the download for Windows button, blue button. So click on it. We have some other options also. If you are using Mac OS, we have some other link for Windows 64, Windows Linux 64 also we have. So my OS is Windows operating system. So let me click on download for Windows. That's it. It will get downloaded. See here bottom, VS Code user setup.exe file. So it is getting downloaded. 4 seconds left, 1 second left, yeah, 0 seconds left, done. So we have downloaded the software, right? It's very easy, you have seen it. Now let me install it. Just double click on it, on that exe file, .exe file. I'm clicking, I'm double clicking it. Okay, yeah, done. That's it. Accept the agreement. First you need to accept the license agreement. Okay, and after that click on next, and it is showing where it is going to install, the path where in our computer it's going to install, and click on next. Just I am using next button, that's it. Already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Yes. And click on next. Do you want a desktop icon? If you want desktop icon, just select it and click on next, so that in the desktop one icon will be created. If you click it, this software will get opened. That's it. There you can write the programs. So I want that icon. Otherwise, if you don't select that icon, it's not a problem. Just go to the Windows button, search for Visual Studio Code, automatically you'll see that. No problem. Okay? Yeah. Now click on install. Very easy to install actually. Just next button, one license agreement, you have to accept it, and after that next, and if you see the install button, click on it. That's it. Automatically it will get installed in your computer. See, done. Do you want to launch Visual Studio Code? Do you want to open it now? So use that one. Already selected and click on finish. Now Visual Studio Code will be opened. Yeah, this is our editor. So this is the editor. Okay, better than Notepad and better than Edit Plus. Compared with Edit Plus and Notepad, it's very good. It looks good even. It also helps us to write the HTML programs. It gives some help also even. Okay, so that is the advantage of Visual Studio Code. Sir, how do you develop, how do you write HTML programs now at present? Installation is done, right? Yeah. So do one thing. When you develop a separate application, it might be a website, or it might be a standalone application, it might be a enterprise application, whatever it may be. Whatever the application you are gonna write, you will definitely create a separate folder. There you're gonna store all the files corresponding to that website or application, right? So better to create a separate folder. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna create a separate folder. Go to the documents. Here I have HTML free folder. In this I'm going to create a separate folder, website 1. So I have just created a separate folder called website 1. So let me open that folder, and there I'm going to write some programs. I'm going to put some images and whatever the stuff we need to develop website. All the stuff, whatever the stuff we need, all the stuff, copy it and paste it into the website 1 folder. That's it. Now, so I'm going to write the programs here itself in the website 1 folder. So do one thing. You have created a folder, right? Open that folder here in the Visual Studio Code. Yes, we can do that. We can open a folder here. We have that option in file menu. In file menu, if you see, we have many options: new file, new window, open file, open folder. So click on open folder, and you have just now you have created a folder, right? In the documents, HTML free 1, I think. In this you have a folder called website 1. Please select it and click on this folder, click on this button, select folder button, select folder button. Okay, got it. Done. See that folder we have got here in the Explorer. We have got that website 1 folder. Sir, in this folder I would like to create a new program. Now application development starting. Web application or website you want to develop, right? That's what we have started. We have started for. So whenever you're gonna start to develop a website, remember one important point. You need to create a home page or first page. I'll give you one example. If you have any textbook, if you have any textbook here, I don't have any textbook actually. Okay, if you have a textbook, to know each chapter details, if you want to open a particular chapter or a particular concept in that chapter, we have a index, right? From that index we can move to a new page or new chapter easily. So without having index we can't do that. Every textbook has a index. Every book has an index actually. We have to prepare it. Like that, when you are developing a website, you have to create a home page or a index page. That is the starting point of your web page. See, here I am opening Flipkart, www.flipkart.com. This is our home page. This is the first page. From here we can move to different pages. See that we have many options here. This is home page. This is just like a index page. Got it? And let me open another website, youtube.com as usual. This is our home page. This is the first page, and www.madhu.skills.com. Yeah, that's it. This is the home page. From here we can move to different locations like that. Every page, every website has a home page, first page. So when you are developing a website, you have to create a home page, and for that home page you have to give a name called index. So that's what I'm doing here. Open the Visual Studio Code. Here we don't have any files, just now I'm creating the first file, that is index.html. How I am created, see how I am created. I have created, this is the folder where I'm gonna write programs. So if you see this option, see this icon, new file icon, new folder icon, and refresh. If you click this new file icon, new file will be created here in this folder. So I'm just clicking it. 1, 2, 3, go. I've clicked it, and one new text box is opened here, and give the name there for your file, index.html. That's it. You have to type the extension also. Even press the enter. If you press the enter, automatically cursor move to this place. Here we can write the programs. So first, what I have to write? We know that when you are writing HTML file, you have to provide doc type. You have to provide doc type where you can mention the version of the present HTML, which language your HTML is supporting, and etc. What is the encoding format your application is gonna support, etc. Okay, leave it. I'm not providing anything, just I'm providing doc type tag. That's it. So in the latest version of HTML, just we need to provide doc type declaration, and that doc type declaration tells that your HTML code is in HTML5 version. To whom I am telling? To the browser I am telling. So to the browser I am telling that I am going to use HTML5 version code here in the present document. So what is the root tag? Everybody knows that HTML is the root tag, and head is the subtag of root tag, and body tag. Okay. So what is this page for? Why I am developing it? Okay. Now give the title. Sorry. So index page. This is just an index page, okay? And in the body tag, I'm going to provide a div tag. This is the first div tag. This is the first div tag. In this div tag, I'm gonna add some CSS properties, CSS styles to one HTML element, if you want to add CSS properties or CSS styles to that HTML element, we have different ways of including CSS into HTML. If you are applying some CSS properties to an HTML file, your page looks more beautiful than actually the features which we use only HTML features. So when you use only HTML features, okay, we can design a web page, but it looks like heroine without makeup. But if you add CSS, it looks like heroine with makeup. So that much of beauty you will see after applying CSS. Okay. So if you want more rich web pages, better to use CSS properties. So that's what I'm doing. We can include CSS styles into an HTML in 3 ways actually. In 3 ways. 3 ways. Already in the previous session I told you. In the coming sessions, I'll introduce about CSS also. One by one, I'll try to include one by one feature into HTML. What are the 3 ways to include CSS into HTML? First way, inline CSS. 2. Internal CSS. 3. External CSS. Wow. Inline, internal, external. If you are using style attribute, this is called inline. By using style attribute. Inline CSS. How we can apply inline CSS to our HTML document? By using style attribute. So whenever you are using style attribute, which means you are using CSS styles into a particular HTML tag or HTML element, only for that particular element only, it is called as inline. And if you want to apply inline CSS, we have to use style attribute, and that must be in a starting tag of that element. This is the starting tag, this is the ending tag. Okay, so here I'm going to apply some width and height for this div tag. Width is actually 100% and height is like 750 pixels. Done. And background color is, yeah, light gray. Light gray is enough for me. So I would like to run this file. If you want to run this one, just go to the terminal, run active file. You can click it. Otherwise, we have another option also. Go to a folder where you have saved that index.html file and give the mouse right click, or if you double click this index.html file, yes, it will get executed automatically. But if you want to execute in a separate browser, for example, I would like to run it in Google Chrome. So what I have to do now? Give the mouse right click on this on that file, open with, go to the open with, and select Google Chrome. That's it. Index page is executed. Background color, some gray color you are showing, right? This is the gray color. Now, so gray color is showing. So let me change the color, then you can come to know that. Yeah, aqua. Refresh. That's it. So I have created a div tag, right? I have created one div tag. And if you observe something here, see, left side, I have got some space, white color space. On top also, I have got some space. On right side also, I have got some space. Even down side also, I have got some space. Sir, I don't want even that space. How I can remove that? At present, I have just created a div tag. Width is 100%. Height is only some 750 pixels I have given. Remember one thing. In HTML5 version, you can't give the height in percentage. But in older versions, we can do that. Width, yeah, you can mention in percentage. Height, you can't mention it in percentages. So that's why I have given 750 pixels. Got it? So now one web page is created. One page is created at present. Okay. Now the question here is, yeah, Ashrita Nandakumar. So div tag is created now. Within this div tag, I'm going to create another div tag. And just a moment. I would like to remove the extra spaces we have got in this web page. Left side, right side, top and down side, I have got some extra space. That's where we are seeing that white color. I would like to remove it. So how we can do that? Just a moment. Go to the code. See, in how many ways we can add CSS to the HTML page? In 3 ways, right? One is inline. This is inline CSS. Second one is internal CSS, right? So if you want to include internal CSS, you have to write a tag called style tag. within this style tag we can apply some styles to this present web page. So which style I'm applying here? I'm applying some common properties which I want to apply to all tags. Whatever the tags I'm writing within body tag, for all the tags I would like to apply some style. For that you need to use star. Star means all. For all the tags I'm applying CSS, I'm applying style. How I can apply? And when you're writing external CSS, we have to use a block like this. This is called as selector, and this is the block which is applied to that selector. Got it? Yeah. Now what I'm doing here is, star means here to all the tags. What I'm applying? 0 pixels. Margin 0 pixels. I'll do one thing. Margin top 0 pixels. Now open the browser and watch the top side. Okay, observe it. I'm just refreshing it. Oh, we don't have any extra space on the top, but left side, right side, and down side you have some spaces. I would like to remove those extra spaces also. Margin left 0 pixels. See that? Left side. No. I have given 0 pixels. Save it and refresh it. See that? Left side we have got nothing now. That is filled with this color, aqua color. And right side we have white space, right? I would like to remove that one also. Margin right 0 pixels. Done. What about downside? Yeah, margin bottom 0 pixels. Save. Refresh it. See that? Now we've got nothing. From all the sides I've removed the extra spaces. So what I have done here, do you know what is the difference between margin and padding? In the previous session we have discussed about it. The difference between margin and padding is, if you apply margin, the extra space outside the frame we can set. Outside the frame some extra space I can give if I want. If I don't want, I can remove that space also. That's what I have done now. I have removed the extra space. If you apply like this, see that 10 pixels I have given. Observe it. We have got some space now. I have given 100 pixels margin top. Yeah, you have got extra space, 100% space you have got. See that difference now? So if I give 0, which means space is removed. So what I am setting by using margin, I am giving some extra space. I am placing some extra space after the frame. Do you understand? Around the frame. So if you want to give some space around the frame, use margins. If you want space between the content and frame and content will be placed in middle of the frame, right? If you want extra space between the content and frame, okay, use the padding. I think in the previous class I've taught you, I have explained you. Got it? So now by using margin top, margin left, margin right, margin bottom, I have removed all the extra spaces what we have seen. Sir, can't we do this in shortcut manner? Do we need to write all these 4 lines of code? Margin top, margin left, margin right, margin bottom. Is it necessary? Yeah, we have shortcut also in CSS for all these things. If you use only margin like this, which means you are setting 0 pixels in all the sides, left, right, top, down. This is a shortcut to apply all the sides with the same pixels, 0 pixels. That's it, done. But if you want to set different margin left side, different margin top side, different margin right side, different margin bottom side, then you have to give settings. You have to apply those styles individually. That's what you have to do. But all the sides same, equal what you call margin I'm setting, right? So then just use the margin and give the whatever the margin you want. I want 0 size margin. Now the question here is, to which tag I'm applying? Is it div tag? Yes. Is it paragraph tag? Yes. Is it h1 tag? Yes. For all the tags I'm applying. That's what is the meaning of star. Got it? Now, thank you. What is it? If you write CSS like this, it is called as internal CSS. If you apply or if you try to type CSS within a starting tag, then it is called as inline CSS, inline and external. Now, sir, I would like to divide this div tag into number of parts. What is the use of div tag? Yes, in the previous session, in the 11th, I think 11th or 10th, I don't know. In the previous session, I've told you, right? Yeah, in the 11th session, I think. In the 11th session, I've already told you. Okay? Now. So just I have created a div tag like this. Let me open a paint so that I can explain you clearly. Documents, HTML free. Yes. So we have created some div tag like this. This is the div tag. Okay. What is the width of this div tag? You have given 100% width by using CSS. See that code? Div tag width is 100% and height is 750 pixels. Height is 750 pixels. Let me give that height also. This is the height. $750 and it is 100%. And one more thing, I am changing little bit here. Min height. I am giving min height property, CSS property. Width is a CSS property and 100% is the property value. And colon is the separator for property and value. Semicolon is the separator for from one property to another property. Next, min height is a CSS property. 750 pixels is the property value. Background color is the CSS property and aqua is the CSS value. That's good. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of min height? And what is the height and what is the difference between height and min height? Now I have set min height, not height. Why I set min height? Because if I put some data, if I place some data, some blah 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 blah, I place some data here, let us say data or anything else I have placed within this div tag, let us say second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line, seventh line, or I am placing some images, etc., 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 etc. Total, I have placed so many lines, and the 750 pixels is already occupied, and you are placing some images, some other tags in this div tag. But if you set height is equal to or height 750 pixels, then height is fixed, which can't be extendable. Height is not extendable. If you set min height, that height is dynamically extendable, which means height will be automatically increased and the content will be fit in that frame itself. So which one is best? So if you want a dynamic expanded height, use min height. Min height means minimum, this is the height, and max, it might be depending on the content you place in that tag. So that will be good, I think, right? So that's why I'm going to use min height. Got it? So now I placed min height, which means minimum height is 750 pixels. It might extend even based on the content which I am going to place within this div tag. So now first div tag is created. Now what is the next one? Open the paint. I would like to divide this page into 4 parts as usual. First part for title, second part for menu. Okay, first part for title and second part for menu. This is the third part to place some content about this page, and let us say this is the footer. So I'm going to divide this div tag into 4 parts. So the whole div tag, this is the whole div tag, right? This is the whole div tag. For this whole div tag, I'm gonna give some ID so that we can identify it easily. ID equal to main div, let us say. Okay, I've given some name to this div tag to identify easily. I've given it, and I can use that identifier also in future sessions. You can come to know that what is the use of ID. At present I'm not teaching you, okay, I'm not telling you, just leave it at present and just fix it that I am giving some ID to the div tag. It will be useful in future. At present, to identify which tag is what purpose, just I am giving this name. Okay, so its name is main div. That's it. What about this one? I am dividing that main div into number of sub divs like this. Another div tag for title, another div tag for menu, another div tag for content, and another div tag for footer. This is for title, that's what I said. This is for menu, and this is for content, this is for footer, right? That's good. So I'm going to give some name to this div tag. This div tag ID is equal to title div, and to the second sub div tag, okay, ID is equal to menu div, and third one ID is equal to content div, and footer ID is equal to footer div. Got it? Just I have given IDs. If you give IDs, you can see nothing. You'll get nothing. See this? Let me refresh it. We have got nothing. It's not looking good actually, right? So yeah, we'll do that, no problem. Now I would like to add title, so I'm adding title now. But before that I would like to set some size. Style is equal to width is 100% as usual. Width is 100%, and height is 80 pixels. Height is 80 pixels, and I'm setting background color nothing actually. Okay, at present I'm giving some background color, but I'll remove it in the next sessions. Some aquarine something I've set, and now see the difference. Open the browser now. Okay, index page, you need to open the index page and refresh it. So we have got some space, right? That is for title. Okay, that is for title, and second div tag, this is the second div tag. For this also I'm gonna set some styles. So if you are applying some styles within the starting tag, then that is called as inline, right? So inline style, but this is called as internal style sheet. Okay, so I'll make it more easier in the coming sessions. I'll make it more professional in the coming sessions, one by one. Okay, this is the first session about website creation. If you follow every video, even live sessions also, yeah, you'll definitely create a own website, own static website. Yeah, now here width I'm gonna set 100%, right? Yeah, here width is always 100% I'm setting, but height is like some 46 pixels. And background color is okay, I'm just setting black. That's it. This is the black color. Yeah, I would like to increase the size. 40 is not looking good, that's why I'm giving 60. Yeah, it's okay now. And go to the first div tag. First div tag means this one, inner div tag. I'm gonna remove the background color CSS property. Now see the difference. Okay. So first, for title I have given some space, or div tag I have given some div tag, first div tag, second div tag, and third div tag for content, right? So for third div tag I'm gonna set some inline styles by using inline style sheet property. So as usual, width I am setting, I want 100% width. But what about height? Height is see that, what is the actual height of the outer div tag? 750 pixels, right? Open it. The height is 750 pixels. Yeah, this one. Height is 750 pixels. Yeah, this one. Among the 750 pixels, within that 750 pixels, I would like to set all these subtags. Okay, so I have given 60 pixels for this one. For this one, I have given 60 pixels. No, 80, I think. Yeah, for title, I have given 80 pixels. For menu, I have given 60 pixels. For content, I'm gonna give 140. If you, okay, 750 minus 140, how much? 610, right? Yeah, 610. We have 710 pixels remaining now. So among those, I would like to give 580 pixels for this one, content. For content, 580 pixels, and the remaining 30 pixels I'm gonna give for footer div tag. So just I'm placing the inner div tags only within the height of outer div tag. Okay, within that I'm gonna fix. I would like to fix, and the background color here is this is my first web page, let us say. Okay, in this way I'm going to create. So third one, content div, height is 580 pixels, and the last one, style, width as usual 100%, height 30 pixels, that's what we have remaining. And now background color is black. Okay, done. Title, first one is title, second one is menu, third one is for content, and last one is for footer. Now I'm gonna place some title here. I'm gonna place some title here in the div tag. In this div tag I'm gonna place title. Here. Shall I take h1 tag here? Yes, I'm gonna take say h1 tag, and I would like to give title page. I would like to set the title there. Tomorrow I'll decide some website, some X website. There I'll continue that website. Okay, I haven't decided which website I have to take to teach you. So that's why I'm just taking some dummy titles and dummy content. Okay, like that. Tomorrow we'll decide one website, and I will implement. We'll just modify it, just like corresponding it. Okay, corresponding to that website. At present I'm placing just dummy titles and everything. So title page. For this I'm gonna set some styles. Okay, font family. Oh my god, it's very big, right? Font family Franklin Gothic medium. See how it looks like. Okay, otherwise I can give agency FB. This is the title page, and I would like to move that title page to the middle. So how we can do that? In CSS we have a property called text align -align, text align center. That's it. Done. So can't we move little bit down towards downside little bit? We can do that. So what I would like to do, actually, this is the heading tag. Within the heading tag I have a content. If you want a space between tag frame and content, you have to use padding. Got it? So h1 tag is there. Within that h1 tag I have placed some content. I would like to give some space. From top side I would like to give some space or insert some space between the content and h1 tag. Okay, so I would like to move little bit down towards downside. So for that, in the h1 tag itself, do one thing: padding top, not all the sides, just top. Padding top 10 pixels. Done, I think. Can I give 15? Is it okay? It's okay, I think. That is the title. So I have placed the title now. Now I would like to place menus here. I would like to place menus. We have different ways to place the menus. Even we can create professional menus also. I'll teach you later in the coming sessions. But it is the basic website. By using some basic knowledge about basic CSS and basic HTML. By using only basic knowledge, I am creating a website. That's what I am doing now. Because all of you knows about HTML, but you don't know how to use those basic things, basic properties or basic features to develop a website. So we'll start from basic, and we'll automatically step by step will include the professionality in our website. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. So now open the div tag, second div tag. This is the second div tag, right? Yes, let me, thank you. This is the div tag. Here I would like to place menus. We don't know about menus, just we know about anchor tags. So by using anchor tags also we can prepare a menu. That's what I'm doing now. So let me take a paragraph tag. Nobody actually designed a menu by using paragraph tag, but we are doing it. No problem. We have those detail. We know about paragraph tag, right? That's what I'm just using paragraph tag. And we know about table tag also. In the previous sessions I've told you about table tag also. Even I can use even table tag also. At present I am using paragraph tag. In future I can use table tags. In future I can use even lists. Only by using lists also we can actually prepare a professional menu. We'll do that one by one, step by step. That's what. Now I have taken a paragraph tag within a div tag, within a menu div tag. Okay. Here I'm gonna place anchor tags, only anchor tags. Anchor tag, first anchor tag, second anchor tag, third anchor tag, fourth anchor tag. Okay, if you want we can add more, but at present it's okay. So how many anchor tags I have added here? 1 2 3 4 4 anchor tags. And yeah, about us, register, login, contact us, and etc. So I have saved it and I have refreshed the page, but I have got nothing here in the menu. Oh, we've got it, right? Why? We are not able to see it because background color is black, foreground color also black. That is the problem. So what I'm doing now is I can do like this: style, color, aqua. Okay, that's good. Copy, paste. Yes, yes, done. But we can do a little bit short. This one we can make it short. How? No need to apply every time. Do one thing: go to the parent tag, a parent element where all these tags are placed, all these anchor tags are placed, and here you can use inline style sheet just like we did here. Okay, yeah, okay. Now here by using inline style I can apply color, that is aqua. Now let us see, we have got same thing, so it's okay, right? The code is a little bit reduced. Now if you click about us, I would like to open another HTML page. See this? Here we have written only one HTML file in website 1 folder. I am creating another HTML file, about us.html. About us, I have just typed content. I haven't not mentioned a doc type or root tag, nothing, just I've typed the content. Okay, close it. Now let me create another one, register.html. I'm just typing some content here, register, that's it, remove it. Now creating another web page. What is it? Login. Yeah, login.html. Another one, that is contact us, right? Contact us.html. Let me save it. I've closed it. Done. So index, login, register, contact us, about us. So I have created some other HTML files. Sir, we have placed a menu here. It's not looking good. Let me make it more beautiful, and after that we'll link the about us.html page, register.html page, login.html page, contact us.html page with index. So it is just like index page. If you click about us, new page will be opened. If you click register, new page will be opened. If you click login, new page will be opened. If you click contact us, new page will be opened. So we have to link them right, with index.html page. So we'll do that. We'll link them by using anchor tags. We can do that, but make it more little bit beautiful, okay, and after that we can link it. So if you are eager to link it, it's very easy. Let me do it first, okay. Come to the starting tag of this anchor tag, first one. Use an attribute called hyperlink reference. H for hyper, ref reference. Hyperlink reference is equal to, give the hash. Why you have given the hash? Hash means nothing. I haven't linked it. Just I have used the attribute called href, which is used to link from one page to another page, but I am not given any other page details here. Just refresh it. Now these are looking like links. That's why by default the blue color is applied. So I can change it. If you want, I can change it. No problem. We'll change it. No problem. We'll do that. Okay. Now, so if I click about us, see, just hash is opened. Nothing. Register, hash, login, hash, contact us, hash. That's it. So what is happening here? I have clicked hash. Just I have clicked contact us, and I've got hash. So in professional, at the time of developing in a company, I worked in 2 companies actually. Okay. So at the time of working there, if you don't have a separate link, we haven't implemented that link, we'll professionally place hash. Okay. So just follow it. Now I know that which one I have to open when I click about us. Which one you want to open? About us.html file. When you click register, register.html file has to open, and when you click login anchor tag, login.html file has to open. When you click contact us link or anchor tag, contact us.html file has to be invoked. So I did it. This is the linking what I've done. So just refresh it and click on about us. About us.html file is open. Come to the back side, register, register.html file is open. Go back, login, go back, contact us, back. Now we have able to link the index.html page with about us, register, login, and contact us. But I need some more design for this menu. It's not looking like a menu, right? And one more thing is, all the anchor tags are placed in one line, 1 2 3 4, side by side. I'd like to place some extra spaces, and NBSP semicolon. If you use this entity, that actually places one space, non-breaking space. N means non, B means breaking, SP means space, non-breaking space. If you want to place the space, see that just single space is placed. I have placed 2 spaces, and after that or symbol, and after that I am placing 2 more spaces. Now yeah, looks little bit different, little bit better than before, right? So let me copy it, paste. After every tag I placed or symbols. Now see that about us, register, login, contact us, all are in some other colors, blue colors. Sir, I would like to set some other color for those, the content or anchor tags, content of the anchor tag. This is the anchor tag, and this is the content. This is the anchor tag, and this is the register is the content. Login is the content. Contact us is the content. For all of them at a time, we can't we set color, foreground color? Yes, we can do that, but we have to use internal styles. If you want to apply same style for more than one tag, we can't do it by using inline styles. Got it? If you want to apply same style for more than one tag or more than one HTML element, we can't do it by using inline. Can't we do it? Yes, we can do it, but we have to copy the code. We have to write the code number of times. If you want to apply the same style to 10 elements, you have to type 10 times by using inline styles. But by using external style sheets, we can make it easier. How? Whenever you see anchor tag, for that anchor tag, I'm gonna set color called aqua. Done. That's it. Oh, it's very easy, right? We are able to apply the color aqua to the anchor tags. Which anchor tag? For which anchor tag you set it? For all the anchor tags which are placed in the present HTML document. Remember that. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. That's fine now at present. Yeah, good. Looking good. About us, register, login, contact us. Sir, in the external style sheets, what is A here? Anchor tag or HTML element. But in CSS, we say that it is a selector. We are selecting A to apply CSS. We are selecting star, which means all the tags, to apply margin 0 pixels. But here the selector is anchor tag. Which anchor tag? Whatever the anchor tags you have seen or find in index.html file. For that anchor tag, I am applying a foreground color called aqua. Now it's okay. Sir, I would like to apply color, foreground color for paragraph tag. Can't we do it by using internal style sheet? Is it necessary to use inline style sheet? Yes, we can. The best way is use the internal, and more best way is use the external CSS. We'll see in next session. Now for the paragraph tag, I would like to apply color aqua, COLOR, aqua. We'll see the same output now. Yeah, done it. Now to the same paragraph tag, I would like to apply margin top 20 pixels. See these anchor tags now. Oh my god, if I am trying to apply, little bit is moving. Actually total paragraph tag is coming downside, right? No, it's not correct. I'll do it to the anchor tag. In the anchor tag only we have that content, right? Where we have that content, about us is existed in anchor tag. Oh, got it. Now I'd like to move the anchor tag. I want to move the anchor tag. Yes, I can do it now. What I'm doing here is to the paragraph tag itself, I am applying something here. Margin top 20 pixels. Now I'll get it. No problem. No? What happened? This is the paragraph tag, this is the content. Can't we do it like this? Style, I would like to move a little bit downwards, right? Margin top 10 pixels. This is the content and this is the tag. I want some space. Not margin actually. I want padding top. Yes, now it's working. Good. Now it is actually working. Exactly. Okay, padding top 10 pixels. But why it is not applying if I am giving here padding top 10 or 20? 10 pixels, right? Yes. Let me delete it. Now it's applying. So I did some wrong, I think. Now it's okay. Yes, running, right? Yeah. See this? In the paragraph tag, I'm applying padding top 10 pixels, which means this is the paragraph tag. Within this, we have a content. This is all is called as content, right? Even though these are all tags, if you place those tags within another tag, for that another tag, this is all these things are called as content, element content. This is paragraph element and this is element content. So if you want a space between the content and element, yes, we have to use padding. Now I'd like to improve a little bit, that is 5. It's okay. Padding left 20 pixels. From this side I would like to move a little bit towards right side. Refresh. That's it. Now we have just created a menu. Okay, so now I'd like to place some content here. Here I would like to place some content. Blah 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 content ఏమైనా వస్తుంది అట్లా ఏం లేదా ఓకే HTML ట్యూటోరియల్ HTML లేదా జావా ట్యూటోరియల్స్ ఫర్ బిగినర్స్ ఏదో టైప్ చేద్దాం. ఊరికనే జస్ట్ కాపీ చేద్దాం. కంటెంట్ ఏమైనా దొరికితే జస్ట్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నా. రేపు ఏదైనా ఒక వెబ్సైట్ సారీ ఐఎమ్ ఇంటూ తెలుగు, రైట్? సారీ యా, I'm just copying some content to place here as a content, and tomorrow we'll decide a particular website and we'll design that website. Okay, now yeah, let me put paragraph tag and place that content. Now see the content. Oh, paragraph color. See that problem we have got is this is also paragraph tag. Within the paragraph tag we have got this content, and here we have given some paragraph tag, and for all the paragraph tags same foreground color is applied. That's what we did here by using internal CSS. Oh my god, this is the problem. But I don't want to apply the same foreground color for the second paragraph tag. For this paragraph tag, okay, but for this paragraph I don't want to set any foreground color. How we can differentiate it? How we can do that? Yes, we can do that. Can you tell me what is this div tag name? Div tag ID? Menu div, right? So within this menu div tag we have paragraph tag. Okay, we'll do one thing. Hash menu div p. See that what happened now? What I did here is within menu div tag we have a paragraph tag. For that paragraph tag only all these styles has to apply, not for all paragraph tags. That's what I said. We can do the same for these anchor tags also. Even we have given anchor tags, those are placed in paragraph tag. So within the menu div tag, got it? Within the menu div tag we have paragraph tag. In that we have anchor tag. For these anchor tags I'm going to set something, right? So that's what I'm doing. Hash menu div. To use that ID in style sheets in CSS, use hash. This is the ID of the tag, and in that we have a paragraph tag. In paragraph tag we have anchor tag. For that anchor tag I am applying aqua color. Now see, do we have got same thing or not? Do we find any changes? No, nothing. Fine. So like this also we can apply, which means specifically we are saying that, hey browser, only apply foreground color aqua for the anchor tags which are placed in paragraph tag, and paragraph tag is actually placed in menu div. So we are specifically saying that. So which means we are not applying the foreground color for all anchor tags. Only for few tags I am applying it. That's what I am doing the same here. Only to the paragraph tag which is placed in menu div, I would like to apply this color. I would like to set the padding top and padding left like this. I want this style to apply only to the paragraph tags which are placed in menu div. Yes. Okay, we did it. Now what about this content? Content is not looking good. I would like to change the font size even at least. Very smaller font size is there, right? So I would like to set the font. This is the paragraph tag which is placed in content div. Okay. Now here the selector is hash content div. See, I am using IDs now. That is the use of ID. Okay. So in this content div, we have a paragraph tag. For that paragraph tag, I am going to set font size. How much font size do you want to give? Do you want to, or do you like to give? Let us give 20 pixels and let us see, is it looking good or not? I think it's okay. Now, I would like to set some padding. Do one thing. Background color is just a normal color. I would like to set. So this is the background color, which means that is a paragraph tag. That is a paragraph tag which is placed in content div. But if you observe it, the content is very nearer to the border. So I would like to give the space between the content and paragraph tag borders. The background color green you are showing, that is called paragraph tag. Within that paragraph tag we have content. I would like to give the space between the content and tag. How do we do that? See this? Padding. All the sides. I would like to give all the sides. Padding left, padding right, padding top and padding bottom. How much? 20 pixels. I think good. If it's not good, we will change it. No problem. Yeah, that's looking good. Do you want to set anything else? Sir, the first line has to move a little bit forward. I want to follow some indentation for first line. Yes, we can do that. Text hyphen indent, I think. Indent 50 pixels. See that? If you place this CSS property text indent, 50 pixels moved towards right side, only the first line. So if you want to put the indentation for the first line for the paragraph tag, use this property, CSS property. So can you tell me what is this style sheet? Which type of style sheet it is? It is internal CSS. Which type of CSS it is? It is called as internal CSS and it is called as inline CSS. So in real world we use external most of the cases and some few cases internal. In rare cases we use inline. But you have to know about all these things because we have that rare case, right? Yes, that's why. So inline, within the tag, internal, within the head tag, within that HTML document, within head tag. External, what about external? Yeah, that's different. We'll talk it about tomorrow's session. So not tomorrow, in next session, okay? I'll provide the next session details. I'll share it in my WhatsApp status, okay? Yeah, tomorrow we have Java class and day after tomorrow also we have the Java class. Free of cost I'm providing, right? Those Java classes, and after that, after today's, you'll have again HTML continuation session for this one. Okay? Yeah. Good. So, yeah. Now you understand. What about this one? I would like to set text align justify so that all these lines within a same indentation. End of all the lines must follow same indentation. To do that, to follow same indentation at the end of the lines also, we can do it here. Text align justify. which makes all the lines must follow the same indentation at right side at the end of the each line. Done. So now we can make it comment. No. Comments is CSS comments are these things. Yeah. This is CSS comment. Now background color is gone. Now it's okay, right? So I would like to place more paragraph tags here in the content. Second, third, fourth, 5, like that. Done. Okay. Now what about I would like to place more paragraph tags even. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have placed it. See what happened. Oh my god. This is the problem we have got. Why we have got the problem? Actually, to the main div tag we have provided min height. But why I am getting it? What is the problem? You are placing all these paragraph tags within a div tag. Which div tag? In content div tag. Do you set min height for this content div tag? You need to do that. If you set min height for this content div tag, whatever the content you are placing within this div tag automatically placed within that div tag, and div tag will get expanded. See this. Now see the difference. I think you might have understand now what I said. Got it? Everything is fine now. You can remove some paragraph tags if you want. Yes. That's it. You can place more data also if you want. You can place even images also. I am not placing even images now. No, not needed. It's okay now. Tomorrow I'll place images and everything. We'll make it more more rich, or we can say we'll make it more rich web page tomorrow, means next coming session. So let us put some footer tags also. Footer data. This is the footer div tag, right? Yes. Yeah, here also I would like to place some paragraph tag. All rights. I would like to place copy symbol. All copyrights. Rate of Queninar Software Solutions PVT Ltd. No, we've got that data. We haven't got the data because the background color for this one and background color for div tag, foreground color of this paragraph tag and background color of this div tag, both are same. That's why we have got the problem. So to the paragraph tag of hash footer div and paragraph tag, footer div, what happened? Footer spelling, yes, footer div tag. Okay, text align center, font family agency FB, okay, color aqua, Yes, we've got it now. And padding top is enough, I think. Padding top 10 pixels, and let us see whether we have got correct one or not. Correct output. Yeah, no, I think 5 or 6 is enough. 5. That's it. So this is our first web page. So first web page is created now. Now what I have to do now, whenever I click the About Us, I need to open the About Us page just like similar to this page. About Us page must also similar to this page. How we can do that? Page must be similar. How we can do that? Its title is index page, right? So when I click About Us, title has to be changed first. So do one thing. Doc type, title, copy, and go to the About Us and paste it here. Close the head tag and let me write body tag, and here the title is About Us. Done. About Us. Title is changed now. Back, refresh, About Us. Yeah, it's good. But which menu you have to see? After clicking About Us, which menu do you want to see? Which menu would you like to see? Same menu, right? Page must be different, but menu must be same. How we can do that? Just copy paste. Do one thing. Come to the index.html page. Do one thing. Copy the total, all the div tags. Copy all the div tags. Copy and place it here. And one more thing, remove the content which you have provided in the previous page, in index page. Almost same, right? Now let us refresh it. Oh my god, page is looking good. Okay, but we have to provide those external CSS here also, right? So within this head tag we need to provide the external CSS we have provided there. This is the style. Cut and paste. Done. That's it. Done. See that you have clicked About Us. Okay, I would like to provide one more anchor tag there. This is the one more anchor tag. Home. Its title name is, link name is home, and it opens index.html file. And I would like to place this one in index.html page also, even. Paste. And now see the extra one. Click on home. Now index.html page is open. Click on About Us. Home, About Us. Hey, what happened? Am I deleted anything here? CSS? Okay. I have deleted the CSS from index.html page. Sorry here. Sorry. Let me copy it. Maybe I have deleted it from index.html page and paste it here. Okay. Now see the About Us, home. About Us, home. See the difference now? Now let us create the same look first of all for register.html page also. How we can do that? Simple. Just copy paste. About Us.html file. Control A, Control C. Register. Control V, space, save, refresh, home, About Us, About Us.html page, title is About Us, and third one, register. The title is here register page. So click on register, see the title register and register.html page. Now let me create login, and the title is here login. Even we need to set the icon for your web page. We need to set meta information. We have to provide meta information about your page. We have to do all these things. So that's what in the coming sessions we are gonna make it more professional step by step. So home page, index page, about us, register page, login page. Let us talk about contact us. This is the contact us page. Let me paste it here. Yeah, done. Refresh. We have to give the title is contact us. Done. So home, about us, register, login, contact us. So in tomorrow's session, so just we have the 10 minutes to 1 o'clock, right? So I'm gonna close this session for today. In tomorrow's session, tomorrow means in my point of view in the coming session, I'll definitely take the class after day after tomorrow, means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we'll have class for this continuous session, means part 2 of web application development. I'll continue the same pages, same HTML page what we have written till now. Okay, I'll continue it. I'll make it more professional. It looks very good compared with this one. We'll view some images even, and we'll provide, we try to reuse the CSS also. We are not reusing totally in this present given example. Whatever the session I have taken till now, I haven't perfectly used the CSS still now. I'm just using CSS in two ways. One is inline, another one is internal. So in the next session we'll try to use more professional way, more better than this one, and you'll come to know that yeah, this is the way, this is the correct way to create a website. Like that I'll take many parts to make it more professional, perfect one to design a static website. Okay friends, so please subscribe our channel and inform others, your friends, to subscribe and share our channel, and let all the people know about HTML, CSS, even Java I'm taking, right? So Java classes and everything. Thank you all guys. Thank you for your support. Bye. Good.